Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Aurora. She was kind-hearted and loved by everyone in the kingdom. One day, an evil witch named Enchantress cast a terrible spell on Aurora, causing her to fall into a deep sleep from which she could not wake up. The king and queen were heartbroken, and despite the efforts of the kingdom's best doctors and healers, they couldn't find a cure. The whole kingdom cried and hoped for someone to save the princess. But one day, a brave and handsome prince named Lucas heard about the princess and set out on a journey to find her. Along the way, he met a friendly fairy named Lily, who gave him the tools and magic he needed to defeat the witch and break the spell. When Prince Lucas arrived at the kingdom, he was met with the fierce resistance of Enchantress Zara's dark forest. But with the help of friendly animals from the forest, including a wise old owl, a confident squirrel, and a group of singing birds, the prince was able to navigate the dangerous path to the castle. Once inside, Prince Lucas stood face to face with the wicked witch. With the help of the magic given to him by Lily, he was able to defeat Enchantress Zara and break the spell on Princess Aurora. The kingdom rejoiced at the return of their beloved princess, and Prince Lucas was hailed as a hero. Princess Aurora and Prince Lucas fell in love and got married, uniting the two kingdoms. Enchantress Zara was banished from the kingdom, and everyone lived happily ever after. The animals from the forest were welcomed into the palace and became the princess's loyal companions, and the entire kingdom celebrated their happiness with a grand feast and a joyful dance. And from that day on, kindness and love reigned over the land, and the people lived in harmony. Once the evil witch was defeated, peace and prosperity returned to the kingdom. The princess and the prince, along with their animal friends, worked together to rebuild the kingdom and make it even more beautiful than before. The friendly fairy Lily helped the kingdom to flourish by using her magic to make the crops grow abundantly and the flowers bloom even more vibrantly. The wise owl offered counsel to the king and queen, and the squirrel and the birds entertained everyone with their playful antics. The princess and the prince went on many adventures together, traveling through the kingdom to help those in need. They showed kindness and generosity to everyone they met, and the people loved and admired them even more. As for the wicked witch Enchantress Zara, she was never seen again, and her dark magic was banished from the land forever. The kingdom was safe from her evil schemes, and the people could sleep peacefully at night. The whole kingdom celebrated the restoration of their beloved princess and the arrival of the brave prince. A grand festival was held, with music, dancing, and delicious feasts that lasted for days. The joy and laughter echoed throughout the land, and the happiness of the kingdom seemed to grow with every passing day. From then on, the kingdom flourished and prospered, with kindness, love, and unity reigning over the land. Princess Aurora and Prince Lucas ruled with wisdom and compassion, and they were adored by all. And the animals, once wild and free, now had a forever home in the palace, living happily alongside the royal family and bringing joy to all who crossed their path. And so, the tale of the princess and the prince, the friendly fairy, the animals, and the defeat of the wicked witch became a beloved story that was told for generations, inspiring kindness and hope for all who heard it. And the kingdom lived happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more educational, inspiring stories. See you